Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. If you are just joining me for the very first time, hi, my name is Fikemi, and if you're a returning subscriber or reviewer, thank you so much for coming back. Okay, so today's video, like obviously from the title, is the concluding part of my unboxing video. Now, if you are new here, if you haven't watched that video, I will leave it in the description box, or it's going to pop up on your screen somewhere around here. Now, ORAIMO Nigeria sent me a mystery box that I unboxed in a previous video. I won one of their competitions or challenges over the festive period last year. And one of the prizes, or one of the gifts in the box, was the ORAIMO FreePods 2, the 2baba tuned edition. Now, I will be opening this box in a minute, but right now this is available on the ORAIMO website. I will leave that link in the description box as well for 10,200 naira. So if you're interested in seeing what the AirPods, or sorry, the FreePods look like, then keep on watching. Now, with any electronic product, always make sure that you buy or you receive your product sealed. Now, this box came to me sealed, and it's a very good security measure to make sure that you are buying an authentic box and one that has not been tampered with. So I'm just going to go ahead and open up this box to reveal what's inside. So this is what the box looks like. This is the FreePods 2 with 2baba's portrait on it and some embossed parts on the box. Actually like that little part it lends to the graphics. Now at the back of the box is more information about the FreePods and about the product itself, so make sure that if you do get this product, make sure you read all those as well. Now, as an additional security feature, there is an authentication QR code by the side of the box, so make sure you check that out as well, and also the brand name ORAIMO and 2baba's insignia on the other side of the box. Now, the box itself, I think I like the graphics. Like, you open it and you feel like you're stepping into some kind of zones. It has this graphic feel, the vibe, and the box is a matte black box, so it's pretty decent, and it has a standard magnetic clasp. So once that box is closed, it's literally closed. Now, inside the box is the FreePods, but it's protected by this plastic film that you have to take off. And I like the fact that there's that extra level of security, even though the box is quite thick. But I like the fact that you actually still get a level of protection with that film. And I'm just going to take out the box, and those were the pods. And this is the USB cable. I don't know why it comes this short. And for some reason, I thought the box was empty. I just realized that there should be an instruction manual. So the instruction manual might be hiding inside that really nice small box. So make sure you check and you read the instruction manual before you even start operating any device, or even this device. And it's a really lengthy pamphlet or leaflet. So make sure you read all the information before you start using the product. Now, this is the charging box of the FreePods, which is what the FreePods, are inside. So you just have to take off that plastic film and open the box up. Now, the charging box has the ORAIMO logo and 2baba's signature on it as well in gold, and it's a black, almost satin type laminated box, actually, like that. So you see, when you open it for the very first time, you see the FreePods sitting really nice and very pretty inside the box. So I'm just going to take this out. Now, for the very first time, these earbuds come sealed. It has a protective film at the bottom of each earbud, so make sure you take those off before you start using any of the earbuds. Now, some quick information about the pods themselves. These are Bluetooth 5.0, and they have a talk time of like 3 hours and also a playback time of 3.5 hours, but music playback time. But I think that depends on like the volume, and also the touch sensors are at the very top or very side. There's a 2baba insignia part of the AirPod, so that is where the touch sensors are, and that controls every function of the FreePods. Now, because of the fact that the box is magnetic, the charging point, of the FreePods is magnetic, so each one goes into each side and starts charging automatically once they're inside the box. Now the pods have alternating green and red lights that tell you what the FreePods are doing at any given point in time, whether it's connected or pairing with your phone and charging. It does what it does. Now, because of the way the box or the charging box is designed, you can't mistakenly place like one of the earbuds inside the other parts. I think that makes sense. Like the left goes into the left, the right goes into the right. So there isn't any chance that one would mistakenly charge or place it in where it's not supposed to be. Now the box itself on a full charge can charge these FreePods up to 6 times. That's if the box is fully charged. So make sure that the box is fully charged. Now the box has indicator lights as well to tell you the power level of the box, to make sure you know when to charge it. And at the bottom of the box is the micro USB charging port that you would plug the USB cable to get the box to a full charge. So the earbuds are in my ears. This is the left side and this is the right side. And I had to take off my earrings because it doesn't play well with very chunky jewelry. So ladies, take note. If you're going to use the pods, you have to go simple with the ears or something that dangles anyway. I think that would work as well. Now, the one thing I love is that when you take the buds or the FreePods, I don't know why I call them buds. When you take the FreePods out of the case, the first thing you hear is Two-Face's voice saying power on, because immediately you take them out of the case, obviously it comes on. So the first thing you hear is power on. And then when you pair with your phone, it's very easy to pair. Just turn on your Bluetooth and it will search and pair with your phone automatically. The next thing you would hear is Two-Face's voice as well saying connected. And then the same thing goes for when it's disconnected. You would hear Two-Face's voice as well saying disconnected. So that's pretty interesting. Very, very interesting. Now the FreePods are quite comfortable in my ears. I don't have so much discomfort wearing them right now. And so far, I'm shaking my head and they're not moving. Like I don't feel the pods moving. So maybe the reviews that kind of suggested that you can use this to do sports like run and other things might be right, because I'm not feeling any movement in these pods. And I actually like the way they sit in my ears. Now the controls or the touch sensors on the FreePods are fairly easy to use. 2 volume controls, play and pause music, to answer calls. But one thing I noticed is when you tap for the right side, which is to increase volume, you tap 3 times. 1, 2, 3. And to decrease volume on the left side, 1, 2, 3. And then to play or to pause music, you tap either left or right, 1, 2, left or right, 1, 2. Now just those few tapping motions that I've done on my ears are smarting. Now I can understand where some people said it's rather uncomfortable in the ears when you have to keep tapping, because it's like it drives the FreePods further into your ears and it becomes very uncomfortable at some point. So I'm going to take it out, see how my ears feel. It's not so bad, but there's still this level of discomfort to it. But the sound is quite good. The thing is with earpods or FreePods or just general earbuds, bass is something they struggle with. So it's a very, very, I wouldn't say muted sound. It's actually quite comfortable in the ear to listen to or to listen with. And yeah, it's not noise cancelling. So it's a very, very subdued sound in your ears. So all in all, I love the FreePods. Like the black casing, the signature 2baba, it's very sleek. It's something that would fit into any handbag. The casing is very easy to charge. The FreePods with their black and gold motif look amazing. So if you've made it this far in my videos or in this video and you're not subscribed to my channel, did I offend you? Subscribe now, please now.
Anyway, please subscribe and like this video if you do, and I will see you in my next one. Stay safe. Bye.
You make me feel alive when you hold me tight. I feel it deep in my soul. Oh, you and me together change the world forever. Take me everywhere you go.